What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. I got a lot of fake social media accounts out there. Got a lot of people making fake IGs, Telegrams, and YouTube, scamming people. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, it's all educational purposes only. Not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So, we back at it again. We back at it with the gems. And I'm about to drop y'all. I'm finna hit y'all with something powerful. Boom. I'm finna, give y'all some information that, because I was watching I was just, peeping out my comments. And I seen that a lot of people said that I'm capped. Because when I said that after 7 years, collection accounts on your credit is classified as expired, right? Y'all remember me saying that in almost every video, right? So, since I'm so capped, what I'm going to do today in this video is I'm going to show you how that's 100% true, and I'm going to show you how to build your credit, and I'm going to show you how to get these lines of credit, and credit cards at the same time, right? Because a lot of people out there don't understand that credit is the #1 money game in the world. Credit is the #1 thing that will determine what you can get when it comes to houses, cars, accounts, all type of things. Credit cards, loans. Credit is a major factor, and a lot of people live life just want to make money. A lot of people don't pay attention to their credit. A lot of people don't pay attention to, what goes on to building credit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to establish good credit, how to build credit, and leverage it towards your business credit so you can start getting those business credit cards, loans, lines of credit, and you never know what you can do with that, all right? So today's video, I'm going to give y'all a nice credit hack. So the first thing we're going to be talking about is the 7-year thing. 7 years of your collection is going to be classified as expired. Then I'm going to show you Credit Strong, how to add trade lines. Then I'm going to show you trade line supply, where you can get up to, because you're supposed to have 5 credit cards on your credit report. So I'm going to show you all that. And I'm going to show you how to check your credit. I'm going to tell you how to do everything. I'm going to break everything down. So make sure y'all paying attention, because this video going to be about some gems, all right? So basically what you want to do is, like I've been telling you in past videos, you want to get you an Experian account. Experian will show you all 3 of your FICOs. It'll show you your credit score. It'll show you your debt. It'll show you your payment history. It'll show you everything that you need to know. It'll let you freeze your account, lock it, everything, right? So once you go to Experian, you get your account, you start seeing your credit report, you start seeing those collections. Like I said, any account that's over 7 years is classified as expired. And I'm going to show you that in a bit second. On Experian's website, not my website. This is Experian's own website telling you these things, right? Because I do know credit. So boom, once you start seeing those collections start falling off, the ones that 7 years or older, the older collections, right, takes up to 15 days. Then you can start adding trade lines. Once you start adding those trade lines from creditstrong.com, creditrentboost.com, Ava, eCredible, Self, all these different trade line sites that we all know about, boom. Then you want to add up to 5 credit cards on your credit report from Tradeline Supply. And they can range from $350 to all the way to a couple $1,000, but they are worth it. Depends on what you're aiming for, what you're looking to get, and what you're trying to do, right? So once you do all that, then you guys can start applying for those credit cards, loans, lines of credit, bad credit loans, bad credit lines of credit, and all that. But without further ado, because I know a lot of you guys are waiting for this, let me show y'all on Experian website that after 7 years, any collection on your credit is classified as expired. Let's get into it. So like I was saying, like I said, Experian.com, this is their site, credit and all that, right? I was telling you guys like how it expires, right? So let's get into it. How long does collections stay on your credit report? Collections are a continuation of debt owed and can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years from the date the debt was first became delinquent and was not brought current. However, if any account were to become late today, the payments were never brought current. It was charged off as bad debt, closed, and sent to collections. Then the original delinquent date will be today's date. After 7 years, the negative information will automatically drop off your credit report, even if a collection agency has assumed the debt. The clock on the debt doesn't reset if they're transferred to another creditor. Your original delinquency date remains the same for both the original account and the collection account. So it tells you right there, after 7 years, the negative information will automatically drop off your credit report. Even if a collection agency has assumed the debt, the clock on the debt does not reset if it's transferred to another creditor. Your original delinquency date remains the same for both the original account and the collection agency account. All right, so anybody out there to think the things that I be saying be cap and I just be talking or nothing, first of all, I'm out here giving grown man, grown woman information for all my people to succeed and be successful. I told y'all credit is the #1 money game. I told y'all the rich get rich off getting their credit together and getting these loans, taking that loan, investing it, making a profit, and doing it all over again. I told you the poor get poor because they don't believe things like this. They think everything that somebody's telling them is false. They think everything is a scam, and that's why people don't get ahead in life. That's why people don't elevate, because they're stuck in that boat. But for the people who do listen to me, what I'm saying, I'm showing you right here on Experience website. 7 years and it's off your collection. It's classified as expired, like I was telling you guys before. So if y'all think it's a game and y'all really don't think people out here doing this, and like, this is real. I'm really giving y'all good information, 100% information for y'all to be successful, right? So boom, let's take it back. So after 7 years, any collection on your credit report will be classified as expired, right? So all those will come off, right? So after you do all that, you get the cleaning. Then you're going to go to creditstrong.com right here. Now, with creditstrong.com, you can work on your personal credit and your business credit. But if you somebody who doesn't have their personal credit together and then don't have an LLC or EIN number, you want to get your personal credit together so you can leverage it towards your business credit once you get to that point. So you're going to go to click on personal. It's going to take you to personal. They got the products, the Revolve and Install, and the Credit Strong Max. The Credit Strong Max will allow you to get $42,500. So boom, $25,000 right here for $550 a month. $200 a month, you get $10,000. So that's $35,000 a month. Boom, that's $40,000 a month right there. Boom, that's $42,500 a month right there that could be reported to your credit report. And this is, you add these after you cleaned up your report. Now, if you're 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and you really don't have anything on your credit report, you have an advantage. You can start building your credit faster and easy right now. Go add these to your credit report. So once you add them to your credit report, you will start growing your personal credit, and it'll be easier because you really don't have anything on your credit but these trade lines. So it has nothing to do but generate positivity, positive payment history. As long as you're getting the payments automatically paid out your bank account each month. So you won't miss a payment. All right. So boom. Once you got all these trade lines right here, and these are some strong trade lines, you're gonna go to trade line supply list. Now these are authorized users. Now authorized users are basically credit limits from banks, Barclays, Chase, and these are card holders, credit card holders that will allow you to, they're basically allowing you to piggyback off their credit. All right, so they got a $5,000 credit card and you buy it for $294, it's going to reflect on your credit that you have a $5,000 credit card and you paying it every month on time. You're not going to get the card. You're not going to get the physical card or anything like that, but it's going to reflect on your credit as if you did have the card and you're making your payments on time. And they got the lowest card is $3,000 credit limit from Barclays, Chase. They got all different type of banks. They got all different type of limits. The highest limit is Chase, 35,000. We got a $46,000 Chase one. We got 46,000. We got a $50,000 Capital One account. This going for $1,100. So like it take money to make money, and that's what a lot of people fail to realize. You got to have a couple of dollars to be able to pay for these trade lines and get there. 66.5 from Capital One. Capital One 66,500. It was open in February 2020. This is $1,000 basically. It's a lot of different credit accounts. So you get you 5 of these, even if you, and these, you know, everybody don't got that type of money, which is understandable. So even if you got you a couple of these, Chase, or get you a Chase $6,800 card, then get you a Discover card for $9,000, then get you a Capital One for $5,000. Like, get you a mixture of these cards, have it reported on your credit report, and you'll be in good standing for sure. All right, so make sure y'all taking these gems. You're gonna get a credit boost ASAP. If you 18, 19, 20, 21, you ain't got nothing on your credit, and you just gotta add trade lines and AUs, and you add these right here, I promise you, in a month, you'll get at least 100, almost 200 points added to your credit report, depending on what all you added. It could be from 150 to 200 points. But if you keep adding trade lines and keep having good positive payment history, you want to build the debt on your credit report so you can be able to get higher limit things. That's how they go off things. So you got a higher limit debt that you're paying off on time. You have a better chance at getting higher limit loans and credit cards and things like that. All right. So make sure y'all taking them gems into consideration. Make sure y'all understanding and believing now when I tell y'all any collection account that's 7 years or older is classified as expired. Experian told you itself. After 7 years, the negative information will automatically drop off your credit report. Even if a collection agency has assumed the debt, the clock on the debt does not reset if transferred to another creditor. Your original delinquency date remains the same for both the original account and the collection account agency. All right, so collections are a continuation of debt owed and can stay on your credit report up to 7 years from the date of the debt first comes delinquent and was not brought to current. However, if any account were to become late today, the payments were never brought current, it would be charged off as bad credit, closed, and sent to collection. Then the original delinquency date will be today's date. All right, so make sure y'all hear me when I'm telling y'all these good gems, because I speak nothing but facts. I tell y'all nothing but positive information for y'all to be successful and win in life. Get these loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, and make it happen. All right, so without further ado, let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. I just showed you guys where directly on Experian, where you guys could have seen for yourself if you really had an Experian account and was really doing what I told you how to do. It says right here, it's after 7 years, collections are expired off your account. So when I be telling y'all any collections that is 7 years or older that's classified as expired, believe what I'm saying. All these gems that I'm saying is 100% true. Only people who won't believe it is the weak-minded, is the unmature-minded, is the people who think life is a game. But the people who are mature, are grown, who have families, who want to succeed, who want to elevate in life, who really try to take it to the next level, you will understand what I'm talking about, and you will know that what I'm saying is 100% true. A lot of people watch my videos, a lot of kids who watch my videos who think I'm finna give you some type of sauce for you to come do some type of fraud or some type of, no, this channel is for you to elevate in life the right way. This channel is for you to elevate and get credit, get your personal and business credit together so you become a multimillionaire the right way. I'm not judging anybody by what they do. Nobody's perfect, but you got to be able to understand you're not going to be able to do those things for the rest of your life. You got to get your money, get in and get out and invest and be blessed. Point blank, period. So if you don't have the mature mind to understand that all this information I'm giving you is going to be valuable information in the long run, when you become an adult, when you become a father, when you become a mother, when you become somebody that you have dependents looking up to you, when you need to depend on yourself because nobody else wants for you to stay in their house, stay in their basement, when that girl or that man no longer wants to deal with you and you have nowhere else to go and you have no money, so you don't know what to do, these gems is going to come in handy. These gems is going to what you need to apply to your life so you won't be in that position. Point blank, period. I don't kick no cap, no false information or none of that, because at the end of the day, the same information I'm giving you guys, I'm applying it to my life, and I'm making changes, and I'm making things, and I'm elevating it the same way. I don't have no deals, I don't get paid off music or none of that. Everything I make is solely independent. I spend my own money to invest in certain things so I can make things better for you guys so you can learn. All right, so always take that in consideration. We're going to continue to elevate. We're going to continue to make this money. We'll continue to run it up. We'll continue to run up our credit. We're going to continue to get these gyms. We're going to continue to get our business loans, personal loans, whatever you need, and we're going to continue to be successful, right? So shout out to all my real subscribers, all my new and old subscribers, my new fans, old fans, new supporters, old supporters, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Also, anybody looking to get their credit clean, get their credit built, want to learn how to get loans, lines of credit, credit cards, leverage it towards your business credit, tap in. I'm going to teach you how to do that for $600. But if you want me to do it for you, it's going to start at $1,500. All right? Also, make sure y'all tapping in, getting y'all unlimited gems. FaceTime one-on-ones. It's $1,200. Don't miss out on that. You'll get everything that you need, that you asked for. CPN sauce, credit sauce, DW sauce, everything, documents, how to make thousands of dollars a day on social media, everything that you need to know, you're going to get that, all right? So make sure you're tapping in for your limited gems. Also, I'm doing mentorships, $2,500. You can get all the limited gems, plus I'm going to teach you about the DW, and we're going to make money together. Yes, we're going to make money together. We're going to make these YouTube automation channels. We're going to run up a bag. As long as you put in the same work and effort and time that I'm doing to build it, we will be A-okay. So the channel start making 20, you get 10, I get 10. The channel making 10, I get 5, you get 5, right? Easy as that. Also, make sure y'all booking y'all seat right now on the crypto tour. In-person limited gems, $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. All right, so if I got to come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $4,500. If you coming in-state to me, it's going to be $3,500. All right, $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person. You'll get everything that you need to know. We're going to make money together. We're going to really run it up, all right? Also, I'm doing some specials. Make sure y'all go tap into my Telegram. I got a lot of special deals going on there. I'm doing a deal, $250, the Cash App Glizzy, and the check sauce, and one free fully for $250. Make sure the payment is on your Cash App balance or your Bitcoin balance. Send me screenshot when you're ready to, pay for your order, and we'll go from there. If you write me saying you want something and don't send that screenshot, you're probably going to get charged an extra $100. So please follow directions when you come to my Telegram to resort games and wasting time, all right? So Cash App Glizzy and the check sauce plus one free fully, $250, Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Payment must be on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance. Send me a screenshot that you're ready. We're going to go get to work, all right? Also, look for people for the production company, actors, rappers, models, singers, producers, videographers, content creators, all that. Tap in. Music reviews is $200. Any rapper, any singer out there want to start get some money with their music, want to get their chain, want to get their watch, want to start elevating, tap in. Music reviews is $200. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000+ into you and your career? Make it make sense, all right? Also, any beautiful models out there, any beautiful young ladies out there, any beautiful women out there, period, that's ready to elevate, ready to grow, ready to build a platform, ready to build a brand, ready to really do more in life, ready to get their face out there, because what you've been doing so far ain't cutting it. Tap in with me. I'm going to put you in all the right positions that you need. Make sure you got a good attitude. Make sure you're ready to work, and make sure you're ready to try something new, because a lot of you got women want to be models and be this top-notch woman, but you got to grind and you got to get there. You got to put in that work. You never know. You might try something else, and it might pop better than what you really wanted to do. So if it make money, then it makes sense. If it make dollars, then it makes sense. So let's tap in. Let's work. Make sure you got a good head on your shoulders. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. All right? I don't do it with bad attitude. So tap in. Any videographers out there, tap in. Houston, Texas, any surrounding areas, tap in. Milwaukee, North Carolina, tap in. Yeah, so that's it, man. Make sure y'all tapping in. Go follow my social media platforms, The Real King Hussle X1M and King Hussle X1M on Instagram. Go run the followers up. Links are in the bio. Go make sure you follow all my my YouTube channels. Subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop this sauce and I drop the giveaway videos, y'all be first one to be tapped in, and you never know, you might be the first one to win something free. I'm giving away Jordans, Air Force Ones, and methods for free. Lessons, all that. So 10 people gonna win some, so make sure y'all tapping in so when I drop that video, you'll be notified and you'll know how to enter, alright? So without further ado, man, y'all know how I get down. I'll see you at the next video. Peace.